Hello YouTube, we're going to do some hot dogs on here. One side's going to have barbecue sauce on, the other side will be plain. So we're making up a big batch, then we'll put them in the refrigerator, then we can warm them back up in the microwave. So they'll still have that barbecue flavor. It's very sunny out here and windy. It was not supposed to be that windy today, so stay tuned. This will just be a short video. And we are done. Did not take too long. Pretty windy. It's making the barbecue burn kind of off. The wind's blowing the smoke out of the bottom instead of out of the top. But there you go. Hope they look good there. Whatever brand, I can't even remember. They're bun-length hot dogs. So I will leave you a picture of the barbecue sauce I used. So thanks for watching.